What's going on YouTube? This is what Josh do, and today we have an exciting video because I got a package from dbrand. This is something I spent my own money on. They did not send this to me. I paid for this. I just saw that there's a whole bunch of like text, like a whole lot, right? So like Call of Duty, a video game franchise that could capitalizes on the shooting of targets. There's a lot of text here. This is crazy. So I ordered this case back in February 3rd. Well, I didn't get any updates until March 14th. Then March 15th, it says it's on the move. And today it was out for delivery and then delivered. So this took so long to get to me that I had given up and bought an OtterBox case from Walmart because I was fixing to go on a trip and I did not want my phone to get broken during that trip. I wanted some protection on it. So I finally gave in and bought a case for it. And I bought an on-screen protector. And the applicator was great and it applied flawlessly. Anyways, so I ordered the Ghost case and I ordered a screen protector. Well, I'm not gonna take off my perfectly fine screen protector to put on my dbrand screen protector. So I will just have my on screen protector didn't come with any extra ones. So actually this is pretty good because I actually have a dbrand screen protector on my 16 Pro Max and it came with a backup, a second one. So that's awesome. This is the Ghost Case 2.0 in a nice white box. This is the screen protector. There should be two in here. I got this because it came at a discount whenever you ordered the case. And I also wanted a screen protector. But since I have an on-screen protector that went on flawlessly and no bubbles and it's working good so far, like I said, I'm not taking that off just to put this one on. But it comes with a really nice applicator and then there's a second one in there. So now if something happens to this screen protector, I have two more. So that's pretty cool. And you can watch a video if you, I can't read instructions, scan the QR code, and yeah, it's pretty cool. But we're going to set that to the side. This is the case. I'm excited because this case honestly makes this phone unwieldy. Like it just, I don't know. I like how strong the case feels. And it feels super grippy, like you're not going to drop it. But I like this because it has the little, whoa. So it says Ghost Case 2.0. It feels good. Like it's a weird texture. But anyways, it has the little charging thingies for this right here, MagSafe. So, wow. Okay. This is interesting. All right. So I kind of liked that little design there. That was cool. But yeah, this is their never yellow. Oh, there's another one on this side. I'm seeing it. Oh, right here. All right. So that's like ridiculously overboxed. That's cool though. I like it. All right. So now I'm going to take off this. This is like one of those dual layer. You have like the rubber TPU. And then you got to unclip these little things. It's kind of a pain in the butt when you want to pull the case off, but honestly, it's more of a put it on and never take it off sort of thing. But they do have a way to take it off if you need to. So that's not too hard. It's just a little bit of, putting your finger in places. And all right, it's a little bit of a process. And I don't want to lose this because I might actually go back to this. I might not. Who knows? There, I have a backup case. Alrighty, so this should be super straightforward. Just, okay, it's tight. It's a tight fit. Oh, all right. Little edge. Oh my gosh, that feels good. That is super tight. Oh yeah, and that's better. That's a lot. It's still a big phone, obviously, but that's a lot better. It doesn't feel so unwieldy now. And then also it complements the phone. So whatever color phone you choose, people can see that. And, they could still tell it's Samsung. And so it complements it pretty well. I like how it's kind of, like the camera's a little protected now too. So it's not the camera touching it. But yeah, so when you lay it down, the screen's not touching the surface that you lay it down on. You still have easy access to all your buttons, microphones, and your S Pen and charging ports and stuff. Oh, that's another thing, the charging port. Oh my gosh. On this case, it's like this thing you have to like fold back and plug it in, and that's a lot better. I can actually plug adapters and stuff into this now. Like this little thermal imaging camera thing that I made a video on. It should, oh, look at that. That's awesome. Yeah, now that's working great. Look at that. So I can plug my little thermal camera to the bottom of my phone now, which I couldn't do before because the case was crazy. I had to take the case off just to use this thing. And with this case, I can keep it on. And look at that. So there's me in thermal because I flipped the little camera around. That's crazy. All right. And then the biggest thing about this case is if you have a battery bank that has the Qi 2, it'll find the perfect spot now, and it'll wirelessly charge the device. And that's a very strong connection. Yeah, that I can't get that off without, it's not coming off by accident. And now I can wirelessly charge my phone at 15 watts. My battery is at 88%. And with this app from the Google Play Store, look, it's right there. Apparently I say it wrong every single time, so I'm just not going to say it. It's wirelessly charging my phone pretty fast. That's like wired speed fast. That's cool. Now, I can take it off, and I can connect this one up. It's the same thing. It's going to find that spot nicely. It's going to hold it in very securely. And then this power bank right here has Bluetooth. So this app on the left is showing me that I'm charging at 9, 10 watts, 12 watts, 15 watts of wireless charging. Look at that. That's cool. And then also back here, it says 98%. And if I press the little button here, it's going to say output 15 watts. So this is freaking fantastic. Now that it knows exactly where the, charging stuff is, it's effortless to charge this phone at its full wireless charging speeds, which is great. Again, this is the EcoFlow app connected to Bluetooth to this thing right here. And this is just an app from the Play Store that tells me how fast it's wirelessly charging my device. I'm just trying to show everybody as much detail as possible. So 15 watts of wireless charge in there. And then it says it here as well in the back. And this reflects that by saying 2,700. That's crazy. All right, I'm going to have a link to this in the description below if you want to purchase one of these for yourself. And like I said, I'm not taking off a perfectly good screen protector to put on the other one. I'll wait for this screen protector to get damaged, and then I've got 2 more. And the applicator it comes with is fantastic. And I did watch the YouTube video. It's pretty easy to put it on. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing because we make videos on all sorts of new tech, phones, power banks, power stations, thermal cameras, we check out a lot of different stuff here. So please hit that thumbs up button and also please subscribe. Please follow me on Twitter and Instagram. This is what Josh do, and I'm out.